If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Fortnite, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve common issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce latency and improve stability, as wired connections are generally more reliable than wireless ones. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any applications or downloads running in the background that may be using your bandwidth. This includes streaming services, file downloads, or other online games, as they can interfere with your Fortnite connection. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a more reliable service, such as Google DNS or OpenDNS. To do this, go to your network settings, find the DNS settings, and replace them with the new DNS addresses. For Google DNS, use 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. Step 5. Restart Fortnite on your device. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming device can resolve connection issues. Close Fortnite completely, restart your console or PC, and then launch the game again to see if the problem persists. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection and reduce errors while playing Fortnite. Enjoy your gaming.